Hello everybody, this is Dad and Matt. I'm going to show you how to use Pandas to explore a CSV file in a Jupyter notebook. I'll be using Jupyter.org's online notebook that I could use in my browser. And over here, I went to Yahoo Finance. If you just want to look at Bitcoin, you could type in Bitcoin and then you could go to the historical data and then you could just download a CSV and then you could bring that CSV into your pane here and see I have it over here. And then what I'll do to show the file is I'll import pandas as PD, and then I'll have another block over here, or I'll call it df equals pd.read CSV, and that's btcusd.csv. That's the name of the CSV file that we just downloaded. Okay, so I'll run this to import, and then I'll run this, which assigns the file as df. Df is a common name for data frames in pandas. And then I'll run df, and you could see this is the CSV file, right? You can see the date, open, high, low, close, adjusted, same as over here. Okay. Now another thing I could do is I could do df.head. This will show me the first couple rows in the file. I could specify a particular number. You could see I have 10 here. I could do it as 2. I could do whatever I want with that. Another thing I could do to get some more information on the file is I could do .info. This will tell us how many non-nulls we have, and you can see that we have 367 total rows or entries in our file, and we have 367 non-nulls in each of the columns. This is important because if, for example, let's say here we had 300 non-nulls, that would mean we would have a remainder of 67 null values. And if we were to perform some analysis, which required all of the data to have some values in them, it might not run properly. We want to see that there's non-nulls so we could easily perform some data analysis. We could also do df.describe, and when we run that, it'll give us a little analysis of the values. You can find a standard deviation, the minimum value, max value, the percentiles, the count. Now, keep in mind that here we have a date, and so it changed the date, and of course we don't have a standard deviation of, let's say, 15,000 days or something like that. We have a float value, so that would be helpful with floats, numbers, integers. But keep in mind that some of your columns might be changed to accommodate the describe. As you do more analysis, you'll need your features, what are known as features. df.columns. Here we go. There we go. You'll need to know what your features are for machine learning. And a feature could be a particular column. And so this is just simply listing them out. And then, of course, you could get df.dtypes. And this will give you, of course, I like using info a little bit more because it'll tell you the data type up in there along with some other information. And so yeah, that's how you just explore a CSV file in Pandas. Remember, you have to have import pandas as PD, and this is a great resource, Jupyter.org. This is a Jupyter notebook. You could run it in your browser. It's very simple. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know other questions you have, and I'll see you next time.